Welcome back, CSE 3200 Yukon Stores. We're in video 2 of chapter 8. This is going to be a relatively short video. We are going to create the data class. Before we do that, we've got to take care of a couple of things in the Gradle. We are going to use view binding for this application, so right above my head here, let's put in those lines, build features, view binding true, and then we're going to put in the fragment dependency, which is this line right here, Android X. So we're going to use this version here. There might be a version without the X, but I believe it's deprecated. I think when I brought that up, it was there was a line through it. So I think you and I will only have this one choice, really. So AndroidX.fragment, fragment.ktx 1.55. The book says 1.4.1, but I only had the default option of 1.55. We will see later on if that causes any problems. Okay, so we are going to go into the Gradle. Under the one that says module, and right here at the end under Kotlin options, we're going to put build features, view binding true, and then under the constraint layout, we're going to put in implementation, Android X dot fragment lowercase f colon, spell fragment correctly, colon, fragment dash ktx. Now at this point, I've only got the one choice. And autocomplete is not working. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and type it in. KTX colon 1.4.1. All right, so something must be typed incorrectly. Let me take a look. Oh, I don't have the end quote. Maybe that's why it did not autocomplete. All right, so I have 1.4.1, but let me check the slides here. I think it made me put in 1.55, so I am going to change that to 1.55 because that was the one default it gave me. All right. Don't forget to sync. I'm going to pause and sync. And I misspelled build. Try again. It actually says try again. All right, 11 seconds, it worked. So now we are going to create our data class. So let's go into Java, drill down, right-click on com.bignerdranch, and go new, Kotlin class right there, and we are going to call this class crime. Okay, we're going to put data in front of the class, and we are going to get rid of the curly braces and put in parentheses, and then we are going to put in val ID of type UUID, comma, val title of type string, comma, string is capitalized, val date of type capital date, and val is solved of type Boolean. All right, I've got a couple of things that are red here. So on date, all right, it says to do an import. Now, the book says there might be a couple of import options. Let's see. Yes, there are. You want the one that is date Java util, and that's the one that is selected there. And okay, UUID comes along for the ride. So that class is done for now. I don't see the import there, although I selected it. All right, I'm going to type in import java dot date dot, Java util dot date, just in case. Did not like that it was not there. Okay. Now I see. Capital D for date. Does that work? Yes, it does. Okay. All right, so I told you this one would be a quick one. The date class, much like the question class in GeoQuiz, is very short, not much to it. We will be creating a database in this application, for this application in later chapters. So, the way that we used a small amount of data before in the previous application, that's going by the wayside. We're going to start off with this class. What was that class? Sorry, we're going to start off with the crime class being our data class, but we are going to be storing those in a database external. So that'll be kind of cool. All right, I will see you in the next video.